In Rarity Bay, in beautiful East Tennessee, you'll discover 100 Greenfinch Drive. With 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a half bath, this Merlot II design will provide over 2,600 square feet of living area. We begin in the great room. It's surrounded by plenty of window for an abundance of light. The large gas fireplace will keep you and your guests cozy. The open design takes you to the breakfast nook and island kitchen, featuring color-coordinated appliances, plenty of counter space, and lots of cabinetry. The adjacent laundry room provides an inset washer and dryer, and the dining area perfect for entertaining. Here's your master bedroom on the main, and the adjacent master bath provides a very large glass shower, a jet tub, and dual vanities. Upstairs on the landing is this alcove. It could be a personal office, and here's your additional bedrooms and baths. Add amenities like a spacious 2-car garage with plenty of storage, this popular water feature, controllable from your home, and more. And you have the perfect estate, right on the 3rd hole of Rarity Bay Golf Course. 100 Greenfinch Drive in Rarity Bay is truly a must-see.
If you're interested in lake, mountain, golf, equestrian, tennis, swimming, clubhouse, and social living, please come visit us at Rarity Bay real soon.